Sidi Sakumbiran Ayana Santokeri Common Zone 4 5/31 Asai Bot Hadaba Changmada Bot Hadaba Loire Haiduna Nipi Macha Amakana Hari Hari Nipi Macha do I Masaki Tangja Hotre Ayang Tolopada Aramai Kangunan Yanan Munimunganab Digi Ayatu Aramai Kangunan Hana Kalu Digi Prismina Angon the Hangaputa Aramai Kangunan Yana Hairudo Ampara Lai Habudo Madu Aram Wapamni Jifi Toro Lai Pune and Haribudo Aram Wapamni Ishasing Amadi Aramai Timoni Lebang Miamna Ayapungapiu Lali Hajari
Sakumbiran Loinavi Zawiana Miam from the Saint Oxeri. Aina I Buran as I bought Hadaba talk Kiaga, what Hadaba talking Matam the media from the charging around by charging Bulan over to the Aina, Mana high washing door around when me have a second Aina Satlaga charging Mapamda. I in Panatali to Hangai around when I Sassaragam with the Salaga Hajeri. Matamatuda Mokogi, Pagi Mako command, they have looked at each other. Amana Pabung Langai, what the Yamla Lima, Adabu Pabung Duan Tang Kubiraga, Adegi Legagi, Mayapai, my bin Kragalaga, Pabunga, Tang what is Hanazagi, I do to Thomas in mine, I Harakodagi, Aina, Agi, Puroba, Amadi, Mayapai, now Karaga Sasaraga, charging to go Nazari. Masih charging the Laponate, Ainhana, Ain Pagi, a swivel, Kambadagi, charging from the Inhide Sassargani. Adu charging a yam Pazana, Pabun, the Tobaxapogi, the Yam Tinasuya do Ima, Ganta Minarasi, and a Harapadegi, and charging that Matundamana, no Babun to High Leroy, Aduga, charging Mapamda, the Brazamayang, Mapamda, Agin Pana, or the one around Gangado, Aina, Tapiu, Hidena. Mayang Mapamda Hajeri, charging Mapamda Hajeri. Hayangju, press media Mapamda, Amadi Lebang Miam, press media, Lebang Miam, Amadi Zara, Mapamda, Saint Oxeracani.